Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I hope you will be fine. If you are new on my YouTube channel, then subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. In this video, I am going to share about huge profitable project. Its name is Afsani. So guys, first of all, you can register your account. You can check here. You can enter your phone number. You can click here. Then you can select your country or code. Then you can enter your phone number. Now you can enter your verification code. Your verification code received in your phone number. You can check here your invitation code. You can enter your password. Then you can enter your confirm password. Then you can click the register button and your account is registered now. If your account is already registered, then you can log in now. So guys, you can click here and you can see this. You can enter your phone number, then you can enter your password, then you can complete your captcha, then you can click this login button and your account is login now. You can check here further detail. Afsani portal, national registration reward mechanism. Afsani gym reward system, daily check-in reward. Login daily to receive 100 gems, stay constant and easily accumulate wealth. This is registration reward. New user who successfully register will instantly receive 200 gems. Gem exchange mechanism. Gems can be exchanged for tax tokens as at a 1:1 ratio and further converted into USDT TRC ERC20. You can check here. The exchange will be based on real-time rates with a minimum exchange amount of 20,000 gems, ensuring that your earnings are transparent, fair and reliable. Earn generous rewards by inviting your friend. You can check here. Level 1 user B successfully invite one friend to register and earn 50% gem reward, 1000 gems. Level 2 user C, when your friend invites one more user to register, you will earn 30% gem rewards. Level 3 user D, for the next level of registrations, earn 15% gem rewards, 300 gems. You can check here. You can see this. You can check here price chart of this project Afsani. This is the NFT project. You can check here and you can check here. You can see this. For the detail, the PHY project team has established a deep partnership with our company Afsani and has invested $1 million in market promotion. You can check here details. You can see this revealing in advance. Lucky Diamond Mastery event start coming soon. You can check here. You can check here exclusive limited edition t-shirt giveaways, a special reward for VIP user. You can check here eligibility revealing in advance. Lucky Diamond Mastery event starts coming soon. You can check here. You can see this Afsani cryptocurrency information website version 2.0 will be launched soon. You can check here. You can see this. You can play this video and watch this video. Next you can check here gemstones exchange rules. You can check here. So guys, my account is already registered, so I log in my account and see this further detail about this project Afsani. Guys, you can check here. My account is open now. You can check here. You can see this my UID. You can check here my profile level, username. You can check here airdrop address. You can add your airdrop address now. You can click here. Then you can see this. You can fill in the correct ERC20 address. You can check here introduction. Then you can click the confirm now. You can see this. Next you can check here. I get reward 2000 gems. You can see this, and next you can scroll down and see this price chart, pricing up and down. You can get huge profit now. You can invest now. You can check here signing record, transaction record. You can click here and see this transaction. I register my account. Then as you can see this, I received 2000 gems as a reward. You can check here. And next guys, we go to further detail about this project. You can check here news. So guys, you can click here and see this news of Afsani. You can check here news. You can see this good news. Afsani limited edition brand clothing giveaway is officially launched. You can check here back and front of t-shirt. You can scroll down and see this further detail. You can check here. You can see this. You can search keywords. For example, you can search keywords Trump. Then you can see this latest update about Trump's news. You can check here, and next guys, you can scroll down and see this further detail. You can check here 7 multiplied 24 news. Bitcoin rally, will $100 top, or will the rise continue? Bernstein share his price. You can check here. While the downtrend in Bitcoin and altcoin has been going on for weeks, some analysts suggest that prices may have already peaked and a new bear market has begun. Next, you can check here Japan investment company Metaplanet made another move to buy Bitcoin. You can check here Japanese investment firm Metaplanet has raised 2 million. You can check here Sol Strategy acquires 3 Solana validators including Line and StakeWiz.com. You can check here all news of 7 multiplied 24. Next, you can check here NFT news. So you can click here and see this NFT news. Yoga Labs announces conclusion of SEC investigation into the NFT company. Yoga Labs, the NFT powerhouse behind Bored Ape Yacht Club, announced that the SEC has officially closed its investigation into the company. DraftKings settles NFT securities lawsuit for $10 million. You can check here, you can see this news of NFT. Next, you can check here BTC news, Bitcoin. You can check here Bitcoin bull cycle is over, expect 6 to 12 months of bearish trend. CryptoCoin CEO, you can check here Hashdex, launcher of world first XRP ETF, files with SEC for 6 altcoins including Solana. You can check here CryptoQuant CEO said Bitcoin bullishness is over, revealed what he expects next. You can check here all is the Bitcoin news. You can check here Ethereum news. The long awaited single came from Spot Bitcoin's ETF. First, after 6 weeks, the declines in Bitcoin and altcoins that have been going on for weeks have also been reflected in ETF. Mysterious Gate will now as 50x Ethereum will close his Bitcoin position with profits. You can check here all is the Ethereum news. Next, you can check here DeFi news. You can check here DEX aggregator 1-inch expand to linear using ZK rollups for trading. Circle to bring Hashnot tokenized money market fund under Bermuda regulatory. You can check here, you can see this Bybit your question DEX risk control after hyperliquid Ethereum liquidation. You can check here, and next you can check here blockchain news. You can click here and see this Spanish police dismantle $32.6 million Bitcoin themed crypto pyramid scheme. You can check here option announcement news. You can check here crypto exchange Gemini appoints new CFO as it's prepare for potential IPO. You can check here all the latest blockchain news of this project. You can see this. If you want to get further detail about blockchain news, then you can click here blockchain news and see this further detail. You can see this, and next you can check here quotes. You can click here and see these quotes of this project Afsani. You can check here, you can see these quotes. You can check here BTC trading price chart, Ethereum, Solana, USDC, Doggy, XRP. You can check here all cryptocurrency network price chart. You can check here, and next you go to ranking. You can click here and see this ranking of this project. You can check here ranking. You can check here all ranking, all coin ranking price up and down. Today increase 24-hour volume, 24-hour lower volume. You can check here, you can see these community videos, BTC, Ethereum, altcoin, blockchain, market trend, calendar, studies, celebrity. You can check here, for example I go to celebrities, then you can click here and see this celebrity of Afsani. You can check here celebrity detail. You can see this this is not data available in celebrity. You can check here calendar, videos, community. You can see this, and next back to the home page. So guys, this website video is finished. If you like my video, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos.